Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to play a What's on My Bag challenge. And this is my bag, and let's start. First, this is my laptop. This is my laptop. This is my laptop, and then this is my laptop. And second, my clip, cologne, and clip, jewelry, and next, my Johnson's baby powder. And this is my lotion. This is my lotion. Oh, this is my nail polish. It's on my bag. This is my nail polish. And this is my phone. This is my phone. And the last is my cologne. And thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos.